So I figured I'd make a little video for you here with the new camera setup. Kind of explain that to you guys and show you what I'm running from my camera setup for my YouTube videos that I film with the car. And I got this today. It's just a GoPro Max 360. And I bet you know what we're gonna do with this. We're gonna get some pretty sweet video. Then I just have a cheaper camera. I got this off Amazon. It's a little 4K. It's called EK7000, made by the brand's Picasso. Yeah, so got that off Amazon. This is the one I want a cheap one to film my speedometer. So this is the one you see in the videos. I just set this right on the back side of my steering wheel, on the steering column, facing the dash. And then I'm also going to run a camera on the, probably just my cell phone that I'm filming on right now, on the inside of the vehicle. That's how I have the GoPro mounted, or the camera mounted for the speedometer. Now when I'm done with it, slide right off there. And what I ended up settling on that worked for me, for the, let me zoom out a little bit. For the POV cam, I got that suction cup and a selfie stick, and it's screwed into the phone mount, and it's just kind of hanging there so that I can mount the phone right there facing me, or facing the front. And well, you guys will see what it looks like and decide if you want to try and do something like that. If you have a sunroof, it's easy to do. For me, it was at least with what I had, it was the easiest location to mount it and allow for a lot of range of mobility with it as well. Because when I loosen this up, I mean, you can swivel that thing around and point it in any direction you want. Yeah, so ended up going with two arms, one on each side to keep it from rocking side to side. And this just extends out. But these suction cups are nice because, like I was saying, I can see as you press down on it, and it gains suction. As long as there's suction, you can't see the red line on here. So that's pretty locked in. I mean, they're pretty strong. So I got two of those, one on each side. Then these three cups here. You could do $150 with this thing and it's not gonna come off. And to release it, you just go, bam, that's it. All right, so I thought I'd just make a quick little clip here, just showing you guys everything that I used to mount the cameras like I had in the video, in case you guys have any questions. So these two pieces right here are separate from this. So this unit right here, the selfie stick, it extends out. Yeah, this selfie stick right here came with this mount and these three suction cups. So that alone to me wasn't sufficient, especially at high speeds. I kind of had a tendency to want to wobble back and forth. So that's where these come into play. That's why I put these on the sides. It really stabilizes it well. So like I said, that was one unit. I'll post links for this stuff for you guys if you're interested in buying this stuff. These are separate right here with the clamp. It's just like an arm, a flexible arm with a clamp. I bought two of those, and then the suction cups are all separate. So I bought three of these suction cups. They're the best ones that I could find for the money on Amazon. They're not completely outrageously priced. I think they were like 30 bucks a piece. But they're super secure. They're rated to hold like 50 pounds a piece or something like that. So it's not gonna come off the car. You don't have to be nervous about it when you're going fast. You don't even have to worry about it. So yeah, the three suction cups, these two arms with the clamps came together. This unit, I bought this separate selfie stick, and this mount for the phone. It's just a basic cell phone GoPro mount. If you buy like a GoPro accessory kit, it'll usually come with like a phone mount. I just had that extra. So all that together, like I said, this mounts on the sunroof up underneath, holds my cell phone so I can film POV inside the car. And then this just holds the GoPro Max. And it actually comes with the GoPro style mount on the end of it. And that's it. So separate items. The three suction cups is one item. A selfie stick. and then this. So 5 separate things I ordered to do all of that. And I'll post, like I said, I'll post a link for you guys so you can see what the heck's going on with all that. And if you don't think you need a selfie stick, I probably didn't need it to be this long. I don't even extend it when it's in the car. Probably could have just bought another one of these for like 10 bucks instead of the selfie stick, because the selfie stick was like 20, I think. So you can even get away a little bit cheaper. I think this piece is 100. Then I got 90 and 20. It's 210, 230, I think, and all this camera mounting hardware, and it's good stuff. It's not, nothing about this stuff is cheap. It's all really well made. But if you have like a $500 camera hanging on the back of it, you don't want that thing to go flying off and lose it. So it's probably worth it. But yeah, like I said, you probably don't need the other selfie stick. It's up to you how you end up wanting to mount your camera in the car. If you want to do that POV view and have all 3 cameras like I did, you probably can mount one on your headrest somehow with one of these clamps. If you didn't want to do it off a sunroof, if you don't have a sunroof. So yeah, let's go out in the car. We'll record some footage for you guys, and I'll actually show you how easy it is to edit it with the GoPro app on your phone. So you can just wirelessly download the video from the GoPro to your phone in the app. And then in the app, you can edit it to look however you want, whatever direction you want. And it's really pretty easy. So I'll show you how I do that. And then here we are with the app view. So if you notice right there at the bottom of the screen, you place little checkpoints on your video footage after you turn the camera. So you pause the video, turn the camera, place one of those little markers, and then it saves where you turned the camera to, so that when you go back and replay it, it'll smoothly transition to that next view that you selected. So it allows you to transition slow, transition fast, whip it back and forth like this right here. So you just edit all that right in the GoPro app. And then just to make things even easier, what I'm doing right here is actually just doing a screen recording on my iPhone while I'm in the editing app, so I don't actually have to save the entire video, 8-minute video clip that it records. I'm just going to screen record the section I want to save and then use that in my video. And if you have all 3 cameras going, sometimes I'd just like to take 2 parts of the video footage, from the inside, the POV, and the speedometer cam, and run some videos like this. No need to really have the GoPro up on the back side if I'm not running up against anybody. And I've tried laying out the speedometer a couple different ways like this, like the chroma key, transparent one like this. Not really too sure which one I like better yet. Probably the solid black one. Or if you're feeling real ambitious, you use all 3 and line up all 3 video clips to the exact second. That's how you do it. That's how I did this. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but I think it gives a real cool effect. And that's basically it, guys. Hopefully you found this useful. I will throw in that the app I'm using to edit most of these on the phone, if I don't use my computer, it's called Splice through the iOS store. Works really well, very easy to use. And you can do just about all this just on that app. And as always, if you like what you saw, if you found it useful, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, share it with a friend, and we'll catch you later.